Australia has over 200 frog species, each with a unique mating call. This female orange-thighed tree frog may only lay eggs once a year, so tonight she's listening out for Mr. Right. But with so many species calling, it's hard to pick out who's who. Luckily, frogs have a special way of hearing that's totally unique in the animal kingdom. Their lungs are connected to their eardrums. And when inflated, it's believed they dampen out background sound, rather like noise-cancelling headphones. It allows this female to filter out the hubbub, singling out the perfect partner. Amidst the cacophony of the frog chorus.